How to fix WhatsApp verification code problem on iPhone. There are some settings or solutions to this problem if you do not receive verification code on your WhatsApp on your iPhone. So let's dive in as we guide you through all these steps. Step 1. Make sure that you have a very good internet connection. Tap on the airplane mode and wait for 20 seconds and tap on it again to on it, or you use a very strong Wi-Fi connection. Now step 2, go to the settings button on your iPhone, tap on it. Now from here, go and tap on the apps. Then from the list of options there, tap message or reserve for message, tap on message. Now scroll up until you get to this iMessage option. Make sure the iMessage is turned on. If it is off, turn on your own device. Then wait a few seconds. This might fix this issue. Then if this does not fix the issue, the next thing is to go to notification center and enable notification for WhatsApp. So go ahead and tap on settings option, then tap back from here until you come to the main page. Then go ahead and tap on notification. Then from here scroll up until you get access to WhatsApp from the list of apps you have here. So once you get to WhatsApp, just tap on WhatsApp. Now make sure that you allow notification on WhatsApp. If notification is not enabled, tap on it to enable notification. Then make sure that lock screen is also enabled, or notification is also enabled on WhatsApp. Then tap on show preview and make sure it is on default as well. So this might help you fix this issue on your WhatsApp. And if this does not fix this issue, then let's try the next option. Open the settings app again on your device, then scroll up until you get to general, tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. So here we're going to offload WhatsApp from the apps we have here. Scroll up until you get to WhatsApp, tap on it. Then tap on this offload button, tap on it to offload. After you've offloaded it, then go and install the apps again on your device. This might help you to fix the issue of not receiving notification code on your WhatsApp. Now if it does not fix this notification problem, then the next thing is very simple, is to enable WhatsApp message on your iMessage. Then it's very simple as well. Tap on this settings icon, then scroll down to the base of this page. Then in the search bar, type in and search for iMessage. Just type iMessage, then it comes up. Then tap on it. Make sure that this iMessage button is enabled on your device. If this is enabled and the problem is not solved, then try again. The next thing you have to be sure is that you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Go to the settings option and tap on it. Once tap on it, then locate and tap on general. Under general, tap on software updates. Then wait a few seconds for this page to load up and be sure that your iPhone is running on the latest version. So if your iPhone is running on the latest version and you are yet to fix this issue, then there's one more thing you have to do. Make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp running on your device. So go to App Store, tap on it. In the search section, tap on it and look for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. So if there is any update on WhatsApp, tap on it and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So this will help you fix this issue of verification code problem on your WhatsApp app. So if you get what I've explained and if you've not subscribed, please take 1 second of your time and subscribe. Thank you.